As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Master Cook and the Weber Spirit E-310. Both 3-burner grills, right?
Yeah, both are 3-burner, but there are some pretty big differences. The Master Cook is significantly cheaper, around $200, while the Weber is closer to $450.
Huge price gap. What am I getting for that extra cash with the Weber?
Well, for starters, the Weber has a 10-year limited warranty. The Master Cook doesn't really specify a warranty period. That's a big deal for peace of mind.
True, nobody likes a grill that rusts out after a year. What about cooking space?
The Master Cook actually has a slightly larger cooking area, 472 square inches compared to the Weber's 360. But the Weber boasts porcelain enameled cast iron grates, which are supposed to retain heat better and are easier to clean than the Master Cook's porcelain enamel wire grates.
Okay, so better materials on the Weber. What about power?
The Master Cook cranks out 30,000 BTUs, while the Weber is rated at 19,000. So on paper, the Master Cook heats up faster potentially. But the Weber has stainless steel flavorizer bars, which vaporize drippings for that smoky flavor and prevent flare-ups. That's a nice feature.
Flavorizer bars sound fancy. What about size and weight?
The Weber is heavier, almost 100 pounds, compared to the Master Cook's 46 pounds. It's also a bit bigger overall. The Master Cook has foldable shelves, which is great for saving space when you're not using it.
Good point. I have a small patio, so that could be a plus for the Master Cook. What about ignition systems?
The Master Cook has a piezoelectric ignition, basically a push and turn knob. The Weber has what they call snapjet ignition, which they claim makes it easier to light the burners with one hand.
So it sounds like the Master Cook is a good budget option with a larger cooking area and higher BTU output. But the Weber has better build quality, a longer warranty, and those flavorizer bars for better grilling.
Exactly. It really comes down to what you value more. If you're on a tight budget and need something functional, the Master Cook could work. But if you want a grill that will last and give you a better grilling experience, the Weber is probably worth the investment.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.